So we're going to be looking at this farm, or it's called the Megalo Group, Injury and Accident Attorneys. And in this channel, we're reviewing this lawyers who can help you in cases. Okay, so the right firm can make their difference. A car accident attorney. So if you're involved in a car accident, it shouldn't be the end of you. You need to be compensated something based on what happened to you. So in this, you're going to be reviewing the Omega Law Group, and we can see what they do. They have a decade of combined legal experience. The trial attorneys are not afraid to take your case to court. Direct communication with attorneys is available 24/7. You do not pay any fee unless we win your case. We have successfully handled thousands of injury claims, millions of dollars recovered in verdicts and settlement schedules. And so the thing, you see, this one is featured in ABC. You can see it's Good Morning America. So the best car accident attorneys, they say they're the best accident attorneys around, and you can give them a call. And as you can see, the diversity is there. We have women, we have men. They look young, they look classy, they look smart. Combining the efforts of car accident attorneys, there's so much money in this industry. You can contact, just the thing you need to do is contact the right team, and we're going to be seeing what they do. Apart from, actually, I do like their page. We have the client testimonials. Do not just take our word for it. I cannot express enough how grateful I am for each of you. You see, everything is it's very professional, very caring. These people will make sure you win. You can get a lot of money when it comes to settlement. When it comes to things like accident, injuries. Did you have an injured face, back? Depends on what injury happened, or you got into a car accident. You feel like you need to sue. It's the insurance company that are getting sued to pay you, because they do pay those people that are involved in this. The cars, you do know that a car is it is insured. So the minute you know this, you know that you're going to be in a position to get settlement for your case. So these attorneys were going to take your case and take it to court, and just like that, settlement happened. Okay, you could call them But in this channel, we're just reviewing companies that I've seen people talk about, or we're just putting word out to the best companies, that the legal companies that are there, that they're doing positive work, that they know what they're doing, they're helping the clients and everything. Okay, so mega group injury and accident, like, it's crazy that most people do not know about these things, that you can get a settlement when an accident happens. You can take it to court, and with the right people, lawyers, you can get anything and everything you want. Check them out. As you can see, you can feel here, and they can tell them about your case, and then they are free. You can talk to them at any moment. No recovery fee. Just call them. Okay.